Okay, I have a simple but powerful effect to share with you today. And for this, you'll just need ace through 10 of any of the suits. In fact, you don't really have to have the same suit, but ace through 10. Go ahead and gather them up, okay? Now, it's important that we kind of mix the cards here. So what we're going to do is we're going to deal out the cards into two piles with random stacking decided by the spectator. That's the important thing. Right on left. Okay, very good. And a note to you as a performer, you can do as many of these as you like with random stacking by the spectator. That would be great. Maybe we'll do one or more of those. Okay. Would you like left on right or right on? You want left on right. As some additional optional mixing, if you would like, you could do what are called up jogs. This is where you jog forward, let's say the even position cards. Strip them out with random stacking decided by you, the spectator, right on left. Okay, so you can do as many of those as you would like or the spectator calls for. Something else you can do in any quantity that you like, which is kind of fun, is to perform a Pharaoh shuffle. So this is where you break the packet exactly in half, and then you just interlace the cards perfectly. Okay. Now, technically, one interlacing leads to something called a Pharaoh in, and the other leads to a Pharaoh out, but either one's just fine. And you can perform as many of those as the spectator would like. Now, once the cards are mixed to the satisfaction of the spectator, go ahead and perform a Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom cards off as one. Maybe we'll set them over here. Okay. Now, from this point, we can give the spectator all of the same choices that we did just a moment ago. We can perform as many left-right shuffles as they would like with random stacking decided by them. Okay. We can also do as many even or odd up jogs as they would like with random stacking decided by them. And we can also do as many of these Pharaoh shuffles. This time we'll have 4 in each with perfect interlacing. We can do as many of these as they like, okay? And when they're satisfied that the cards are mixed, go ahead and just Klondike another pair to the table, and then rinse and repeat, okay? So as many left-rights as you like. If you like to do 2 or 3 up jogs, that would be fine, okay? Or a Pharaoh, that would be fine. When you're done with those, Klondike the next pair. Okay, here we go, left on right. Maybe we'll just do a couple of these and call it good, maybe right on left. But you could do an up jog or a Pharaoh. And then we'll Klondike the remaining pair here. And that gives us a final set of 2 cards for a total of 10 cards. Okay. Well, what do you think we've done here? Now, one thing you might be wondering about, and I would too, is what's up with the dice here? Okay, I have a couple of dice that apparently have been rolled already. Well, just take a look at what they add up to. A 5 and a 6 is an 11. So this was actually unknown to you. It was a prediction that I had set out ahead of time. So the prediction is that each of these pairs will add up to 11 without exception. So let's check. Is it 4 plus 7? That's 11. Oh, ace is a 1. So 1 plus 10 is 11. Oh, 8 plus 3 is 11. Let's hope we got these. Oh, yes, 2 plus 9. And by elimination, maybe? Yes, 5 plus 6 is 11. Whoa, working together, we really did pull off some pretty surprising magic. So thank you for your input. Because if you think about it, if you had made even a single different choice in how many of these shuffles to perform, which kind, and more importantly, perhaps how to stack the different piles, this most likely would have come out completely differently. But nonetheless, the 2 of us working together succeeded. We got a sum of 11 for all 5 of these pairs. Well, if you just do everything that I did, this works for you every time. It's completely self-working, and it's using principles taught on the Absolute Math Magic channel that you can check out, primarily mirrored structures. And the stay stack principle, that's a key to it as well. So I can add some links in the description below to other videos or videos of the underlying principles that you might find helpful. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.